Good morning, students. This is your social study class now. Students, today we will practice exercises of the chapter Our Mineral Resources. Chapter 11. Okay? Before that, I want to clarify or I want to rectify one sentence of this chapter. That is given, see page number 68. Open your book, page number 68. You see manganese. Though I have explained it, I told you, but I have not pointed that. Okay, just rectify this sentence. The first sentence you read, manganese. Manganese is mixed with coal to produce steel. This is actually not a correct sentence. Manganese is mixed with iron ore to produce steel. Instead of coal, you will write iron ore. Okay, cut coal and write iron ore. Manganese is manganese is mixed with iron ore, limestone, then goethite, okay, to produce steel. I am not telling that coal is not used. Coal is also an ingredient, but that is to produce energy. Coal is also used in the blast furnace. Coal is also used, but that is for to produce energy. Okay, so better you write here iron ore. Iron ore is the main ingredients. So again I am telling you, repeating it, manganese is mixed with, instead of coal you will write iron ore to produce steel. Okay, so now we will see page number 69. In page number 69 you see, keep in mind. Okay, this is to recall the chapter. In brief it is given, the main points of the chapter is given here. You will see there is no filling the blanks given in the exercises, so I thought that it is better to convert it in filling the blanks. So you see page number 69. Listen carefully. Filling the blanks. Write there filling the blanks. Okay, and write today's date also, that is 3/8/2020. Minerals are dash from deep within the earth. What is that? What you will fill here? Extracted. That means you will put dash, okay, under extracted. Number 2. India has rich dash of iron, coal, mica, manganese and bauxite. India has rich deposits of iron, coal, mica, manganese and bauxite. So underline under deposit. Underline the deposit. India has rich deposit. Underline the deposit. Now come on to 3. Major coal producing areas are Jharkhand, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh. Underline Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh. Okay. Major coal producing area are Jharkhand, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh. Underline Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh. Okay. Now turn your page. Oil is produced in dash Gujarat and dash. Oil is produced in Mumbai, Gujarat and Assam. Underline Mumbai High and Assam. Underline Mumbai High and Assam. Okay. Next, we must use our mineral resources wisely because their deposits are limited and they are depleting fast. Underline wisely and limited. Underline wisely and limited. Okay. Last one is scientists are trying to find dash sources of energy and minerals. Scientists are trying to find alternative sources of energy and minerals. So underline alternative. Underline alternative. Okay. So this thing we have converted to filling the blanks. More filling the blanks I will give. Okay, that is in when we will revise the chapter, that time I will give you more filling the blanks. Next, A. Tick the correct option. 1. Tick the correct option, that means MCQ options will be provided and you have to find out and mark the correct answer. 1. The minerals that is known as a fossil fuel is A. Iron, B. Silver, C. Petroleum, D. Gold. Which one is the correct one? Yes, petroleum, C. Tick mark. Tick on C, petroleum. 2. Iron ore are found in the following states. Iron ores are found in the following states. Which states? A. Jharkhand, B. Goa, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. All of this. Which one? Jharkhand or Goa? And another one is Madhya Pradesh. Which one? The correct option is D. All of this. Number 3. Prior to independence, we had steel plants at A. Jamshedpur, B. Rudrapur, C. Udaipur, D. Kanpur. Which one is the correct option? A. Jamshedpur. Okay. Now see D. A is completed. B and C is question answer that I will give you. I will start question answer tomorrow. And C, D. Match the following columns. Column 1, column 2 is given. Okay. First read out column 1. 1. Bauxite. B. Copper. C. Petroleum. D. Lead. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Bauxite. 2. Copper. 3. Petroleum. 4. Lead. 5. Manganese. 6. Gold. Okay. Now you will read column B one by one and match it. A. Storage batteries. Yes, which one is the correct option for storage batteries? You have to find out from column A, column 1. What is that? That is 4. Lead. Lead is used as storage batteries. Okay. So write here beside storage batteries, write 4 in bracket. B. Sagar Samrat. Sagar Samrat is related to which one? Petroleum. That is 3. Beside Sagar Samrat, write 3. Sorry. C is still. Still C. Which one is the correct option for still? That is manganese. Manganese is used to produce still. So beside still, you will write 5 in bracket. D is Kolar mines. Kolar mines, which one is the correct option? Find out from column 1, that is 6. Gold. Gold is found in Kolar mine. Kolar mines, beside Kolar mines you will write 6 in bracket. E. Aluminium. Aluminium, yes, see column 1. Bauxite. Bauxite is the ore for producing aluminium. To produce aluminium, bauxite is the ore from which we extract aluminium. Okay. Next, F. Electrical goods. Electrical goods, yes, that is 2. Copper. Wires are, we make electrical wires with copper. Copper is used to make electrical wires. So write 2 in bracket beside electrical goods. Okay. So students, up to this there is up to D. Okay. So this is what for today. Complete writing. Write the exercise in your book only. Give the date. Write classwork. Today's date. Okay, 3/8/2020. Write down and write classwork. Okay. So the class ends here. Goodbye.